Extended Response Questions by KayScience.com. Pause the video to attempt this question. The answers will follow. Pause the video to check your answers. Welcome to KayScience.com, the only website that can guarantee you grades 8 and 9s in science, where you'll get access to hundreds of dual-coded biology, chemistry and physics videos which are specific to your exam board. Students can answer self-marking quizzes directly beneath the videos. Access our resources page, where you have access to printable exam booklets which also come with answers. You can also access our extended response questions, which also come with answers directly after the question. I've also got the KayScience app for Android and Apple, so the kids can do all their work on their phones, so there's no need for access to computers. So achieve a grade 8 or 9 at KayScience.com